My name is Weston Smith. I'm the CEO and founder of Lux Precision Manufacturing. We're a CNC machine shop. We make parts for the aerospace, defense, medical industry. And on the flip side, we actually partner with GCU to help re-energize the next generation of manufacturing professionals. I actually started Lux out of a dorm room here at GCU my sophomore year in 2017. We started as electric longboard rental company and then moved to electric longboard manufacturing, and that's how we ended up into what we're doing today. It gave us an opportunity to work with GCU and partner to build this second tier of GCU workforce development, which was CNC Machinist. With that, we're able to take these students. They go in a 15-week period from class where they're getting a great education from GCU. They have the lab on campus with a CNC machine, so they have a chance to work there. And then what we're showing them is, hey, if you're going to go work in the workplace, this is how it's actually going to be. So it's really bringing to light what industry looks like and what manufacturing looks like in a real operation. And so they really get a chance to look at things and go, hey, this is exciting. You know, I can't wait for the next step and to grow in this career.
I work in inspection at Lux Manufacturing. I toured Lux Manufacturing. I heard that Weston hired freshmen, so I reached out to him like way in advance just because I was excited about it, and then I got an interview and here I am now. I have to make sure parts are within tolerance when we manufacture them. So with CNC manufacturing, it's very, very specific. It has to be very, very small, very, very tight, and essentially I just make sure everything matches up, everything's good. I think GC is a great option for engineering. I'd say the staff has all been very, very helpful.
A counselor had reached out to me asking if I liked working with my hands. And so he introduced me to the CNC Manufacturing Pathway. I ended up taking the semester-long course to better understand this pathway in industry. It was a lot of material to absorb, considering that I knew nothing about CNC machining. It was a really big learning curve, but I was willing to put in the effort. The teacher was very supportive. When I first started, I had no knowledge. I didn't know what calipers were or what a micrometer was. So he helped better understand things regarding that pathway.
I think it opens a lot of opportunity. You know, we're taking these students and we are giving them a solid skill base that when they graduate, not only does it impact them, but it impacts their family legacy. It's really unique to see the growth that GCU has made to impact the community is amazing. It's not about business, you know, it's not about the money. It's about the greater good and honestly fulfilling the Great Commission and impacting other people.